Hi, welcome to my channel Tech Easy Learning. Today we are going to see a topic in SED. Today we are going to see how to print the data in the pattern buffer and how to surpass the default printing of the contents in the pattern buffer. I think you are aware of the pattern buffer and hold buffer. I already explained in my previous video about the what is pattern buffer and what is hold buffer. You can go through that so that you can get an idea what is the pattern buffer. Okay, it's nothing but a memory area. It will keep the contents in that memory area, and hold buffer means it will be used for the future purpose. It can hold the content, so that is called hold buffer. This is one temporary, that is called pattern buffer. Okay, I am having one file called marks. Okay, here I am putting ls. Okay, here there is one file called marks is available. Okay, here it contains three subjects marks. I am going to display it by using the print. Okay, how to print it we are going to see now. See, using SED, then P stands for print, then marks is the text file. I am able to print the contents in the pattern buffer. Okay, I'm going to I'm going to tell now why it is coming twice. Here it should print only once, but here it shows twice because it displays the it displays the content in the pattern buffer, as well as it uses the print command P to print the contents from the file. So it displays twice, but we need only once. So we can suppress the display. How to do that? I will see now. Yeah. Here SED has the option called -n. Okay, that is option to suppress the default printing of the pattern buffer. We are going to change the default behavior so that we can see only once. See, we are able to see only once. Here it suppresses the printing twice, so we can get the exact result. Okay, if we want to print the second line or third line or 10th line, how can we print it? Here it displays the entire content of the file, but we don't want that. We are going to print only the third line, means how can we do that? We are having option for that. We can use that number. Here, here it displays the third line, but 10 signs 98 is the third line because in the file it contains two empty lines. We'll check the file now. See, here there are two empty lines are there. I'm just removing it. See, now it displays the third line of the file. Okay. 10 max 100. If you want to display the first line means you can put 1 page. See, 10 signs 98 is the first line of the file. This is the way how to use that P option and N option. Okay. We will see about the next thing in the coming videos. Okay. Thanks. Bye.